The Volvo S40 was discontinued in 2012, so the 2.0-liter turbo petrol B4204T11 engine does not appear in any S40 models. Instead, this engine was used from 2014 onward in models like the V40T5, S60T5, XC60T5, and S80T5. The B4204T11 is a 2.0-liter, four-cylinder turbo engine from Volvo's VEA family, producing about 245 horsepower and 350 Nm, and paired with the AWTG 81SC automatic transmission. It delivers strong performance while meeting Euro 6 emission standards. Reliability is generally good, though some owners report PCV system blockages, increased oil consumption on higher mileage engines, and occasional software issues. The timing belt must be replaced at the recommended interval, around 10 years or 150,000 miles, to avoid serious engine damage. Regular oil changes with high-quality oil and routine PCV system checks help maintain long-term durability.